tear, Achoo! Sneeze, to cough, oh, punch, wink. So today we are talking about action verbs, all right? Let's start. Oh, punch, all right? Slap, slap, tear, crumple, right? Crumple, throw, catch, catch, Achoo! Achoo! Sneeze, hiccup, all right? To burp, right? Burp, whistle, snore, all right? Wink, wink, to wink. Laugh, all right? Laugh. When something is funny, you laugh. To yawn, all right? To yawn. To sleep, to sleep. Shake, break, break. Hello? I'm kind of busy right now. Can you call me back later? Call, to call. So this right here, okay? Watch, all right? To think, okay? To think, think. Wash, all right? Wash your hands. To clean, to blink, to blink, to take, all right? Type, walk, all right? Walk, walk. This is run, all right? Running. Skip, all right? Skip. Nod, all right? Nod. When someone says something and then you don't want to talk, you nod. Spray. This is spray. To comb. This right here, to comb, all right? Anytime I pull up on the TV, I put on the... Listen, all right? To listen. Scroll, scroll, scroll up, all right? Scroll down. To write. To draw, to draw. To open, to close. Open, close. Drink, drink some water. I can drink because I'm fasting today. To take, all right? To eat, to eat. So this is bread. To read, all right? To read. Sit, okay? Sit. Sniff, all right? To sniff. Scratch, scratch. You see it? Right? Hide. Hide, all right? I put behind my back, so I'm hiding it. Push, all right? To push. Pull, all right? pull, okay? Push, push. Lift, all right? Lift, lift. Sit, sit. Stand, turn off, turn on. Turn off the light, turn on the light. Kick, kick. So this is kick, all right? Normally we kick a ball, but I don't have a ball. So just kick something. Point, all right? Point, point, okay? To point. That means you are trying to show something with your your index, all right? Clap. When someone is doing something that you like, you clap. Good? Clap for yourself. Put in the comment.